We have Rajesh. Rajesh, hi Rajesh.
Hi, Ekta.
Hi. So Rajesh is the VP Consumer Banking with Citibank, and Citibank has this product called Leap, which is actually it's a banking proposition which is targeted to suit the needs of startups. And Rajesh is going to let us know more about that. Rajesh, over to you.
Thank you so much, Ekta. And, yeah, so I manage the branches that we have in South and West. I'm based out of Bangalore. And first of all, extremely happy, delighted, and actually excited to be a part of this forum. Thank you, Ty, for, getting this together. This is a fantastic forum where we have, people from every side. So we have people who have the ideas, we have people who support the ideas, and also, mentors and various stakeholders. I would also like to call out, T Hub, which has been a fantastic partner for us in Hyderabad, and we have done some fantastic work together. And I'm very, very sure that we will continue to engage and do much more. The starting question is, what is a bank doing here, right? And believe me, more than you ask this question, we keep asking this question to ourselves. How can we add more value to this fantastic ecosystem? And if the startups do well, if we have better ideas, then everybody benefits. The customers benefit, of course. People who participate in taking the idea to a larger scale benefit. And we seriously want to play a very, very important and responsible role. And I think there are two important components which help us do a good job of it. One, the whole philosophy of keeping the client right at the center, and we call it as client obsession, right? Unless you understand the client well, you can't have the right solution for them. Second, the kind of people who really engage with customers and various other stakeholders. And I think, that is another differentiator that we have got, very high quality of people, Wharton trained relationship manager. And we believe in a team-based approach to manage, customers, understand their evolving needs, and with the right agility, bring the right solution to them. I'm going to talk about Leap, right, which we have created as an exclusive proposition for startup community, various companies, and also for small and medium enterprises. What it really does is, starting at the point of understanding the need of a customer, you try to bring the right solution, right? We are more than 100 years old in India, but we feel that we are as young as a startup and trying to learn every day. So what is the need? What are the needs? The first is, most of the startups don't have a great cash flow. You have cash flow, constraints, because a good idea takes time to monetize itself. So, we have waived off the requirement of minimum value, which, as per the industry norm becomes, a requirement for one to get a particular level of service. Second, when you are engaging with various, people outside the country, either to raise money or, to provide a solution to customers who may be outside, you need to ensure that the money flows well, right? And for that, we have a very high end, FX, service, a great treasury, which really works very, very closely, with the customer, handholds it to ensure that the money moves in the right way and you get the right credit at the right time. Equally important is how the document flows. So for example, when somebody is raising money or diluting stake, right, there's a lot of regulatory requirement which comes into play. And with our experience in working with various startups, we have realized that that is not a strength, and that is not supposed to be a strength of a startup, right? As a startup, you have to really focus on the big idea and how to really scale it up. So we partner and ensure that with the right expertise, we take care of that requirement so that your bandwidth doesn't really get diluted in terms of doing some of the back and forth with the regulator and doing the filing, etc. The other requirement is, for companies which wants partnership outside India, right? Setting up companies, creating accounts. I think we play a very important role in that as well, thanks to the global reach that we have got, being present in multiple countries. One of the other needs is, I have raised money, and I don't want to burn everything quickly because that will happen as and when the company needs it. What do I do with the surplus money? And again, we have a very high quality wealth management proposition to ensure that we understand the liquidity requirement, and take care of the surplus cash in a way that you don't, of course, take any undue risk on that, but also create return on that money. Apart from some of these requirements, one of the key requirement that is there for this particular space is of credit, right? So while there are equity investors who come and participate, but the expectation is that banks should also participate in terms of providing credit. And that's where we keep it's not easy, let me tell you, but we keep trying to come out with structures where we should be able to add that value as well. We have a very high quality corporate credit card proposition which has already been built as a part of Leap and available for our customers. So that also comes along with it. Some of the hygiene requirements, for example, you need a nodal account, you need an escrow account, domestic or international PG, ability to do bulk payment, etc. All these are available as a part of a hygiene offering as far as this proposition is concerned. And everything digital. So right from day one, our model has been to provide services at your doorstep. You should be in a position to do transaction from wherever you are, and that's why we don't have too many branches, because the services come to you wherever you are. So these are a few things that we have added as tangibles, packing into this proposition that we call Leap. But let me tell you, we want to play, and we always try to play a more important role, a larger role than that. Sometime as a partner, sometime as a forum, sometime as a customer also. So we take keen interest in this space. We have done a lot of educational series, and we intend to keep doing that, so that we bring value in terms of knowledge with some good speakers. In the past, we have also created forum where we have invited new ideas to come and make a pitch. We had done what was called as a City Mobile Challenge earlier in Bangalore and various other cities in and outside India. We invited participants from the fintech space to come and talk about their ideas, present it to us, and we picked up some of those, helped them to scale up, in some cases provided the necessary liquidity, in some cases became a customer to them, and also helped them get introduced to other entities of Citi outside India. We had done one such challenge in Hyderabad also, where we invited various participants to come and talk about their proposition and work closely with many of those. So I think that is another role that we want to continue to do in future also. Definitely there in multiple forums to learn from various stakeholders, to quickly add value as and when we can. But I think that will be a constant endeavor. We are there, present in most of the large cities. We are definitely there in Hyderabad, as I said, working very closely in this space. So while these are the tangibles that I have talked about, but to my mind, intangibles way much heavier, and that one only experiences when you get connected. Clearly, we are very, very keen to learn a lot from you and translate some of those learnings into good value addition. Either it is a banking proposition or in some of the other roles that we try to play. So that's in short, in nutshell, what I had to speak, Ms. Ekta. Very happy to reach out to larger number of people. We are there present in Hyderabad. I am here in Bangalore. We'll be very happy to get connected with various participants of this forum as and when they deem fit. Thank you so much. Extremely happy, as I said, to be a part of this, and appreciate the patient hearing from everybody who is here. And thanks a lot for coordinating and setting this up.
Thank you so much, Rajesh. It's nice to know that, as a bank, you're not just limiting it to what banking can do, but you're looking at banking challenges as well, and getting people in the same room to look at solutions and problems. Nice to know that, even industries whom we typically look and that they do only particular function are also looking at imbibing the view of collaboration and working with startups as well. Thank you so much, Rajesh. Nice to have you on board at Open Mic.
Thank you so much. Thanks.